Looking to add some vibrant personality to your car's interior? Want lights that sync with your favorite tunes or match your mood? Curious how the Govee H61140A1 car LED lights with app control can transform your driving experience? Stick around, we're diving into all the colorful details. At a glance. LED strip light, 4. Control box, 1. Car cigarette lighter, 1. User manual, 1. Installing method. Unpack the box and check all items listed in the packing list. Power on the strip lights and check whether they light up. Installing steps. Wipe the installing surface to make sure it's clean and smooth. Install the cigarette lighter and control box in the central console and press the button on it. The button will light on. Peel off the protective film and stick the strip lights on your desired location. 2 strips are for the front side and 2 are for back side. Use wire covers or adhesive clips to neatly hide strip light wires and keep your car's interior clean and organized. That's it! If you are interested in picking up Govee H61140A1 car LED lights, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Controlling with the control box. Turn the light on and off. Press to cycle through 9 colors. Press to enter music mode. Press and hold to cycle through 6 brightness levels. Download the Govee Home App from App Store, iOS devices, or Google Play, Android devices. Turn on Bluetooth in your mobile phone. Open Govee Home App. Select H61140 in the device list. Here you can see all the different modes in the list. Here is the music setup. You can set it up from your phone. For color changing, select Color Mode, and you can set different colors of light, and so on. Features. Customize car LED light effects to your liking in DIY mode via the Govee Home App. Govee is perfect for interior, exterior, and rock lights. Flexible tubing, waterproof, and have short-circuit protection. Decorate your car in Christmas style with vivid colors. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.